This is the part 3 of the previous W.E.A.P.O.N Framework tutorial, that which we see the normal base 64 encoding method for obfuscation. If you haven't watched that first video, then watch that video first. Link is over the I button. Go first and check out that. Then proceed to this video. At first we are again reminding the disclaimer for you that this video is for cybersecurity education and red team research only. All environments used are temporary, self-deployed, and under full control of the author. No unauthorized access or exploitation is performed. So let's get started. If you watched the previous video, then you have seen that we encoded our payload with base 64, but now we are going to demonstrate something more powerful encoding method. So let's have a look at my own created obfuscator, named Dragon63 Encoder. This encoder have two levels, level 1 and level 2. So in this demo, we just encode our previous beacon with the Dragon63 Encoder level 1. Now this beacon file data has been changed and also have increased the size from the previous one. Let's check. We are opening it into Genie, because Pluma cannot handle this file. Because Pluma cannot handle so much data in a single line. Let's see the file size. Now let's upload this beacon into our victim machine. But at first let's see the previous base 64 encoded beacon file size. This is our first created base 64 encoded beacon. Now let's upload our new Dragon63 encoded beacon file. Now let's see the contents of our new file. Windows Defender is on with its full power, but it can't be able to flag our beacon. Let's execute it. Select the beacon. Executing the netstat command. Now let's run the tasklist command. For demonstration, let's upload our readme.license file. Let's change the file extensions. Nicely working. If we run the help command, it will show us all available commands. Now we see the result command. If we execute the result command, then we get all run command outputs related to that beacon. So this is for today. If you want to encrypt it with the latest encryption method and want to make it insane to reverse engineer, then comment down below for the part 4. In the part 4 we will discuss that how to encrypt it with the latest encryption methods.